Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of joining my channel, then you are welcome. In our video today, we are going to make avocado oil. There are so many ways you can make an avocado oil, but the one I'm going to be doing today is the one that I'm going to use another oil to export the avocado oil. By this I mean we add oil into the avocado, then you add oil in the avocado to help extract the avocado oil. So I have one large avocado and other smaller ones, I think 3-4 small avocados. So it's overly ripe. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to harvest the avocado. I'm going to cut it open, then get the flesh out. Okay, I'm going to get the flesh out. All right. Then we mash it up using fork. You can use anything to mash it up. Okay, mash it up. The next thing to do is to transfer it in a tray. Transfer the avocado in a tray and spread it. Spread it properly using your fork. Okay, mash it properly. The lumps, get rid of it. Then it's time to set it out in the sun. This is the first few hours after setting it out in the sun. What I'm going to do right now is to scrape it out and then spread it back again and take it out again for the last time in the sun. So look at the avocados right now. It's dry and it's ready for pressing. As you can see, the oil has started coming out. But in this method, we are going to add vegetable oil to help us extract the avocado oil. So I'm going to transfer it in a bowl, then add a little quantity of vegetable oil, put it in a microwave and heat it up for a minute. Then we squeeze out the avocado oil. I'm going to be squeezing out the oil using a strainer. I am transferring the avocado into the strainer. I am squeezing it out, and look at the oil that we are getting. The avocado oil is ready. Squeeze as you can. Okay, I'm going to discard the shaft. And this is our avocado oil and how to make avocado oil using another oil to extract it. The quantity of the oil you'll get depends on the quantity of the avocado used. So if you want to get much oil, then you need much avocado. Okay? Avocado oil can be used for your skin, for your hair. I hope you like this video. Please share, comment, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless.